Okay. Today, this is my AK-47 BB gun revew. Okay, I'm going to start off by showing you the front end of my gun. As we move on to the bottom, you know, like, magazine comes out, like, all that crap, like, but still. Oh, and there's also something else I'd like to show you. My flip tricks. Nice. Okay, thank you for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Out!